Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. Welcome guys to this lesson number 24 of learning to read the Quran. Hope you guys are happy, hope you guys are enjoying yourselves and benefit from these lessons. So let's start off with today's letters. So today's letters are going to be lan. Lan. Pronounce it with me. Lan. Man. 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 Nan. 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 One. 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 Okay, now have a go yourselves now. Try it yourselves. Lan. Man. Excellent, excellent. Nan. One. Lan, man, nan, one. Excellent. Brilliant. Next letters now. Han. An. Yan. Have a go yourselves now. Try it yourselves. Han. An. Yan. An. Han. An. Yan. Excellent, excellent. Right, have a go with these now. Dhu, lu, lan. Dhu, lu, lan. Dhu, lu, lan. Dhu, lu, lan. Pronounce it with me. Dhu, lu, lan. Dhu, lu, lan. Dhu, lu, lan. Next one. Dhululan. 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 Okay, next one. Ha-ra-man. Ha-ra-man. Haraman. Ha-ra-man. Ha-ra-man. Haraman. Have a go yourselves. Haraman. Haraman. Excellent. Okay, now have a go yourselves at this now. Haraman. 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 Did you get it right? Next word. Qarnan. 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 Have a go. Qarnan. Okay, have a go yourselves now. Qarnan. Did you get it right? Excellent, excellent. Next word. Karhan. 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 Have a go yourselves. كرها. Did you get it right? Excellent, excellent. Okay, next word. كفوا. 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 Have a go. كفوا. كفوا. Excellent. Now have a go yourselves now. Try this yourselves. كفوا. كفوا. Excellent. Brilliant. Next one. شيئا. 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 Have a go yourselves. شيئا. Okay, now try it yourselves now. شيئا. 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 Excellent, excellent, mashallah. Alright, it's finished now. Let's try to pronounce this. سبحان ربي. سبحان ربي. I hope you guys have benefited from this lesson. And if you find that you're finding it difficult, if you're struggling, finding it difficult, try to watch the previous lessons again. Go over this lesson, try to watch the previous ones again. Try to pronounce it loud as well. Try to pronounce it loud, look at yourself, and even try writing it as well. Get a pen, get a piece of paper, and try to write these words down again. And you'll see how you're going to improve, inshallah ta'ala. Thank you very much.